Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to separate bold text or numeric values in Excel. In the example, you can use the getBoldText function in your file to extract the bold values from any cell contents. The function is compatible with all Excel versions, you don't need to struggle with Lambda. The first argument is to cell where you want to search the bold text. In this case, use cell B4. The second argument is an optional separator. By default, the function uses spaces as a delimiter. But you can choose the delimiter character freely. I'm using comma. Press Enter to get the result. OK. Copy the formula down. OK, that was easy. What if you want to extract the bold text part only? Use the getText function with a single argument. The result looks great. Finally, in some cases, you need to extract only the numeric part of a text. Use the getNumbers function. The function uses a single argument. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more tips, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.